Tucked away on a quiet lane in the heart of Ortignac, this charming stone village house offers the perfect blend of character, comfort, and convenience. Just 15 minutes from Béziers, 20 minutes from the motorway, and 30 minutes from the Mediterranean beaches. With 68 square meters of living space, this beautifully presented home is sold furnished and ready to enjoy from day one. Whether you're searching for a lock-up and leave holiday retreat, a first home, or a seasonal rental investment, this property delivers charm and practicality in equal measure. Step inside and you're welcomed by an entrance hall leading into a bright 24 square meter living room and kitchen, a cozy yet functional space designed for relaxed village living. On the first floor, a generous 14 square meter bedroom is complemented by a well-appointed shower room, creating a comfortable and private suite. The second floor offers excellent flexibility. Here you'll find a second bedroom with its own shower and wash basin, a separate WC, and a charming summer kitchen area, perfect for preparing drinks or light meals before stepping out onto the private 5 square meter terrace. This elevated outdoor space is a rare find for a village property of this size, ideal for morning coffee or evening aperitifs. With electric heating, low annual property tax, and a central location within walking distance of everyday amenities, the home is immediately habitable and easy to maintain. Charming, affordable, and full of rental potential, this is a rare opportunity to own a character property with outdoor space in one of the Languedoc's most pleasant villages. Right in the vibrant heart of Saint-Sad-la-Coussière, this beautifully presented, fully furnished village home offers an effortless blend of comfort, character, and convenience, with everything you need just steps from your front door. From the local bakery and village store to restaurants, cafes, and everyday amenities, life here is wonderfully easy and walkable. Inside, the main house opens into a bright and airy urban plan living, dining, and kitchen space, the true heart of the home. A cozy wood-burning stove creates a warm focal point for winter evenings, while full double glazing ensures comfort all year round. Upstairs, 2 generous double bedrooms provide welcoming accommodation. Each benefits from its own WC, and one enjoys a private en-suite shower room, offering both privacy and practicality. To the rear of the property, a charming private terrace provides a peaceful outdoor retreat, ideal for relaxed breakfasts or evening drinks. From here, you step directly into the self-contained guest annex. Complete with a mezzanine bedroom and shower room with WC, it's perfect for visiting friends and family, or for creating a flexible, independent space. Modern convenience is also considered, with 2 electric vehicle charging points located just opposite the house and additional facilities within the village. Saint-Saud itself is a lively and welcoming community, known for its annual Fête du Cep celebration and excellent local amenities, including an organic shop, weekly mobile butcher, petrol station, infant school, library, and a beautiful leisure lake with lakeside restaurants. From tennis and football to theater groups and countryside walks, there is a real sense of year-round activity here. Stylish, low maintenance, and ready to enjoy immediately, this property is perfectly suited as a first home, a professional couple's base, or an easy lock-up and leave holiday escape. Early viewing is highly recommended. Opportunities like this in such a thriving village setting are rare. Tucked away in a peaceful hamlet near Pontorson, just moments from the world-famous Mont-Saint-Michel Bay, this detached Normandy country house offers an exciting opportunity to create your own French rural retreat. The heavy lifting has already been done. 2 of the 3 roofs have been replaced, water and electricity are connected, and a septic tank is in place. A new hangar has also been constructed where an old outbuilding once stood. giving you practical storage or workshop space from day one. Inside, the ground floor has been thoughtfully opened up to enhance the sense of flow between the main living areas. Wide openings connect the generous rooms, creating the foundations for a bright and sociable layout. There's a 40 square meter living room with fireplace and chimney, leading through to a 22 square meter kitchen area ready to be fitted to your own design. A further living or dining room features a beautiful granite fireplace, full of character and waiting to be brought back to life. A ground floor shower room with WC is already in place and functioning, meaning the property could be comfortably occupied while renovation continues, allowing you to enjoy the summer months while shaping your ideal home. Upstairs, 2 vast rooms of approximately 40 square meters each provide exceptional potential. With imagination and planning, these spaces could accommodate multiple bedrooms and an additional bathroom. Set on 1,323 square meters of usable land, the majority positioned behind the house and backing onto open fields, the property enjoys privacy and uninterrupted countryside views. To the front, a small stone outbuilding offers further scope for restoration. Peaceful, detached, and packed with potential, this is a rare opportunity to finish a project that's already well underway and create a bespoke Normandy home near one of France's most iconic coastlines.